Hi, my name is Yang Yi. This is my second peer assignment of Biodiversity MOOC course. As you can tell from my name, I'm Chinese, and I live in Sichuan province, which is located in western China. This area is also famous because it is the habitat of giant pandas. Luckily for me, I'm working for an international conservation NGO as a communication officer. So today, I'm going to talk about the program works my colleagues and I are doing to protect wild pandas, as well as all the other amazing species living in this region. So what you can see here is a map of China. And here is where I'm living. To have a closer look, this is a map of Sichuan province. Somewhere here is the capital city Chengdu, and all the mountain areas around it are the habitat of pandas. You may think that as iconic as an animal panda is, they must be well protected. But truth is, there are still a lot of risks the wild populations are facing. One main problem is that large human populations living here, which means no matter how remote the place seems to be, human interferes are always there. Local communities strongly relied on the natural resources for food, for fuel, for extra incomes than farming or grazing. So what we are trying to do here are mostly to alleviate the conflict between local communities and conservations, and to balance the need of human beings and wildlife. One of the examples we're doing is called the energy-saving stove. This is because traditionally, some local residents do not used to use stoves to cook. They simply burn firewood in their houses, like what we can see from the pictures here. So this is a very typical local community residence house. So you can see what they're doing here is to burn firewood in an open stove like this. This kind of stove means they will need large amount of firewood in their daily life. Here we have another photo showing that what the house stove for their winter use. So you can see this large amount of wood stored outside their house for the use for their winter times. It's a very normal thing in these villages. Therefore, this tradition posed a major threat to the forest and the wildlife around their villages. What we did is helping them to build modern stoves in their homes, like this one. So you can see this kind of stove can really save a lot of wood because the structure of it contains the burning process inside the stove, so the firewood can be used more efficiently. So this is only a very simple example of the work we're doing here, and I'm very glad I can take this course and hope I can use what I've learned here to contribute more to my job. Thank you for listening.